you can do it. Hold.
Wow! Jelly, jelly. Jelly. Jelly, jelly, jelly. Ah. Hi everyone. Hi. Hi guys, we're going to experiment today.
We need an empty bottle.
Empty bottle. Why we need the empty bottle?
We're going to cut it half like this.
I'll put all these sides.
Yeah, we need that part.
And the other part?
Yeah.
Is it making jelly?
Not a jelly. We're doing a colorful experiment today.
To this?
Yeah, we get this is a red white or makeup tissue, and we put like that, and we put these rubber bands too.
I like it when it's purple.
You like purple,
Yeah.
and there's a blue one as well.
Why? Why do you need that?
We put two like this. Okay, to make it tight. See, like this.
Like a jump.
Okay, we can cut the remaining big ones if you want.
I like it like that.
Let's make it big.
Yucky.
Now let's make it a bit cleaner and tidier. Okay.
Like jumping.
So next we're going to color this. Okay?
Okay.
You can color any color. Do it.
I'll have this pink.
Okay. Do just draw anything. We need more. Can you open it?
Oh, like it.
Like this. Anything.
Green, purple.
Okay.
I'll do.
Can you do the pink inside? Yeah, hold it right.
Do you like this pink? You don't like light pink, so you can't see light pink.
Yeah, a bit of colors.
These also dark.
Yeah, you can color anything.
I want to color. I want to use this pink. It doesn't do This looks like orange.
Okay, all good. You want to show this?
And the punchy cheese. Butter
So
cheese.
we need a plate.
Why we need a plate?
We need a plate.
Why we need sugar?
We can add a little bit of dishwashing soap. Can you squish it?
Greeny.
And we add a little bit water.
Yeah.
Water. And we add a little bit sugar. Then Now we dip it like this, and then then can you blow it from the top?
Other side.
Can you do it?
You need to blow more.
Yeah. Colors. Maybe we can add. Okay, let's add a little bit color in now. Okay, to make it more colorful. One more color. Which color you want?
Green and yellow.
So you're adding more colors. Okay, now you can do it. Whoa! More, do it. Yeah. You can see, mommy will do it one more.
And touch it. Yay, yay, yay! Jelly, jelly. Look at jelly. Jelly, jelly, jelly. Ah.